Menteri Rambak ke Jela Konrad Kongkel Sangma ha ka khat neutri unai bing uloong ba ka sarkar Jela kan saya selok bat ki klik nong sensyar ki district council bat ki babun balang ha ka bede bat ka kam ye penbet yu put usam bat ka sarkar Meghalaya kan saya keren ru bat ka sarkar Assam bani penbet no yu put haswa jong ka jingraki ya ka Christmas. Habai kiran bikinang patay kubor u Konrad Loong ba ka kampen bitput kam de setia ka kam ka pasuk. Handre ukermen scam ba ka ni ka sarkar ka bamenta kan laban penbet syuai ki ka tu ni ki jaka ki ba kham duna ka jingi kan an. Uang ba ya ka ni ka benta on la ban so tu kam ba hadian ba ka sarkar klayo pediang ya ki kaipot na ki regional committee. Uang ba ki chairman jong ki regional committee ki la Tracy Tambha bat ka sarkar Jela kan persangkat bala bahaswa ka Christmas on la ban penbet yu put usam hakikat tu ni ki jaka. Halor ka jing syak kan tho ka seng Congress u Konrad Loong ba ka sarkar kam sim la rai ki halor uput usam hanrei kalaya mentala ar benai tam balik jurip ki jaka ya ka ba menswa om judan balik jurip. Uloong ba kalong ko basongsi ba menswa ka sarkar ka balai lam dak seng Congress kam sim la sim kya AA bat imat kirim tip ru ya ka kerteng jong ki jaka ki badan hapedeng ke jaka japut bat kimpat julet hakini ki jaka ru. Menteri Rambak Loong ba ka sarkar kan saya tai bah bat kanam syukok ngu bet ni menjur kulmar ha ka jinge penbet yu put usam haba penti kena ba ka sarkar kan long ba pikir bah haswa ba kan sim ya kan nugu rai.
So we are expecting that the reports will be received by the respective committees by the 30th of November, and we will start consultative process with stakeholders in our respective states, be it political parties, be it the district councils, or different organizations, different traditional heads, and all the stakeholders who are there. We will do an extensive consultation based on the reports we receive. And once that is done, then we will finally once again sit with some counterparts. And if we are able to come to an agreement or a consensus, then we will try to resolve the issues before the 30th of, in fact, we are trying it before Christmas. We will try to find a solution. But let me reiterate that it's not very simple. There are a lot of complications. So it's not simple that we are saying that we'll be able to resolve everything. We are hoping that we'll be able to resolve. We are quite confident that we'll be able to take things to a new level where at least some areas will be resolved. But we are hopeful that all of the 6 areas will be resolved. But it's only once we receive the reports will we be able to finally understand. So it's a process. There's a hope. There's an effort being made. All the chairmen have really been working hard. And we will try our best to see if before Christmas, at least the 6 areas, to whatever extent we can, at least some level of resolution should be there.
So the opposition Congress has expressed concern saying that there is a haste from both the government to solve
the state government not
from
take
both the government to solve the issue, but right need to negative ramifications.
I mean, concerns of the opposition are noted down. Obviously, we are not going to be in a haste. We have been, in fact, the efforts that have been made in the last 2 months is very extensive. The visits that have been made have never been done before. It's sad that earlier the Congress government did not make any efforts at all. In fact, I don't think, as I was mentioning earlier, they won't even know the names of the areas of differences. Forget the names of the villages. And I'm sure they've never visited those locations also. So I think the fact that no efforts were made that time, but a lot of efforts are being made now. Again, I don't want to be competitive out here, but those are facts. And the sad part is that when we don't meet, then the opposition will say, well, they're not serious. When we meet and we work, they're saying they're too serious. So they'll have to make up their mind what is it that they want us to do or what they expect. But as a government, we are committed. We are moving in a manner in which we are taking everybody on board. And I do appreciate the comments saying that we should not be in a haste. Obviously, we're not in a haste. But we want to move towards a resolution. And we are trying our best to work as hard as possible to find a resolution. And I've mentioned to you before also that we are not saying that we can resolve everything. If there are complications, we will further discuss it. So it's not that we will just simply agree or say that this is resolved just for the sake of resolving it. No, we will be very, very careful and we will ensure that we take everybody on board.
Halor ke jing ye jing kino kai SSA ki bala bu ru ya shibun ki jing dawa na lor ke jing siu tulap ko patikina bat ke jing shim tino ka sarkari ki school SSA u Conrad Kongkel Sangma ula kren na ka basai ba ka sarkar jala ka namla ban ithu purai kino kai sarva shiksha abhiyan namar ka de ka program ka bala pentri kampura da ka sarkar pedeng Ulaong ba ka program SSA kadai ka bala pentri kam da ka sarkar pedeng ban kenti yu ka puli puthi hakeleng ki jala khamtam haba phai khmat e hakithan nong kondong U menteri rang ba ulaong ba ka jing ithu ikinoi kai SSA kam dei ka banta jong ka sarkar jala namar kani ka project kadai ka jong ka sarkar pedeng Hakabai day ba ka jing slam jong kinoi kai SSA ban yo ek tulab u Conrad ulaong ba ka jing bam yo tulab jong kinoi kai SSA kam day ka baja tang hapo Meghalaya Nrei wat hikiwi jela jong ka riru namar ba ka sarkar pedeng hadu menta kampat pha ek pisah
That there is a delay in the release of financial support from Government of India for all the states in the country, not just Meghalaya. So all the states of the SSA teachers have not received the salary. But in the recent past, Meghalaya and a few other states received partial amount, but 70% of the states still have not received a single rupee. We are in discussion mode with Government of India to request them to release more funds to it. But as and when the funds are being released, we are also releasing to the SSA teachers, and we'll continue to do that in the future. We understand the problems they're facing, but this is a very, very complex situation where, as I said, the entire country is suffering right now, not just Meghalaya state. But let me assure that we will try our best to find a solution to this and try to help out SSA teachers. The regularization aspect is a completely different aspect. SSA program was a program started by the Government of India on areas where the different schools were not present. And so therefore it was a program completely financed 90% by Government of India. So it cannot be linked to a regularization by the state government. So if central government tells us that the funding will continue and there will be regularization from Government of India's side on this entire SSA program, then obviously we would want to move forward in that. But from the state government side, it will not be possible to give any kind of commitment right now for any kind of regularization for the SSA schools from the state government side. So if central government goes for a proposal and moves to regularize them at the national level, then definitely it will be a positive move.
Hakabai day bagajing persya kiseng balang ban penpoi ya ka rel kit ha jela menteri rang ba ulaong ba ka sarkar jela kala simkhia bani kren ba ka sarkar pedeng halor ka jing dawa penteri kam ya ka inline permit ha Meghalaya namar bun ki persya jur ya kalenti rel kat ba ompat penteri kam shua ya ka ILP ulaong ba ka sarkar jela ka kwa banwan ra ya ka rel kit mar hadu bernihat kabahap hari boy district namar kanlong ka jingkerku barkan kenti ke yok ka kot jong ka jela u Conrad ulaong ru ba ka sarkar kan chimkhia ban yo penyat ya ka rel kit mar hadu bernihan namar kan pensuk ya ka jela ban yo ikimar ba mardi bat ka rel kit mar kanembu jingmai ka jela na ka jingman buhai snong jong ki bar jela namar kaladon ka Jakarta lasi ki bar jela ha umling Ulaong ru ba ka sarkar MDA kala persangkat bala ban penulong himat jing dawa ki bakongsan ki bakentup ya ka temetor ILP ban penrung ya ka ketien khasi bat garu ha ka 8 schedule jong ka riti sensar jong ka India bat ka sarkar ka yeng na ka benta ka bah kamyat jong ki pat ba ka jelahi brakaway.
Yeah, it's a complex situation, and I know I don't want to again just go back and put any blame on anybody, but it's a problem that's been there for some time. It's not something that has come in today, and you've seen that this government has been trying to address all issues that have been legacy issues for a very, very long time, for many years, whether it's the sweeper colony issue, whether it is the issue of ILP, whether it's the issue of 8th schedule, whether it's the issue of border. There has been a very, very strong and committed effort from the state government to find some kind of solution to all these things. So obviously we will also work on the railways. it is slightly more complicated because it is linked with so many other factors where the different organizations are demanding the implementation of ILP. Government of India is still holding on to it and still has not given us a clear reply on this. So there's discussion mode is going on. So keeping all those factors in mind, it's not a simple issue, but we are working towards finding a path or a point where there is some kind of a consensus. We are hopeful that maybe if not a passenger train, then it is a goods train up to Bernihat is something that will benefit the people of the state. So can there be an adjustment and can be understanding, an agreement that will have at least the goods train coming in, because that way what we saw in the COVID period, that we had thousands of trucks coming in, we had huge cost factor coming in, and if we had the railways, then we would have been able to get the goods at a much more economical rate, and at the same time we would not have the exposure to truck drivers coming in and going out. So all these factors are advantageous, and we will be engaging with the concerned stakeholders and try to find a way in which we'll be able to at least find some way forward in at least trying to get a goods train, if not a passenger train. And that will help the people in general. So there's no question of influx when it comes to goods train. So can there be a meeting point where we say at least the benefit of the goods can come to the common man and the citizens of the state? So maybe we could move forward in that while we discuss on how we can check the infiltration part or the concerns of the different organizations. In Mendipathar, we have already started the facilitation center there, where if you go and check and see that there are sections where there can be some kind of a checking of individuals coming in. So all those things are steps that are confidence building measures. We're hopeful that we'll be able to move this forward also. As I said, it's a complex situation and issue, but we are trying our best. As I said, it's not possible that we can resolve everything, but I hope that we'll be able to find some way forward, especially when it comes to the passenger goods.
Sir,
When it comes to the
both,
goods train, sorry, not passenger, goods train.
in both